Good afternoon, Year 2, and welcome to your times tables lesson. I'm going to share my screen now and we'll get started. Okay. So today we're going to be using how our times tables can link to division. So dividing by 2 is the same as sharing between two groups. So 10 divided by 2 is the same as halving, okay? So share your counters into 2 equal parts. Pause the screen and have a go now. So draw 10 divided by 2 and then share it out. Pause. Okay, well done. So if we share them out like this, you can see them happening on the screen. We get 5 in each. So we know that is the answer. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now it's your turn. So show me 6 divided by 2. Pause and have a go. Okay, brilliant. Again, 6 divided by 2, really easy. We've been doing this in maths. It is 3 in each group. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2. See if you can use your knowledge of what two things make 8, what two numbers add together to make 8, or what times is by 2 to make 8, to see if you can work it out using your times table knowledge. Off you go. Or if you need to draw, draw. Pause. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So in each we have got 4. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Well done. Now, if we don't have counters, we can draw our workings, which is like what you've been doing. So let's share 14 into 2 equal parts. But remember to still keep thinking what two numbers add together to make 14, and what times is by 2 to make 14. So what will 14 divided by 2 be? Because you can use your knowledge of that. Okay, pause and have a go at 14 divided by 2. Okay, well done. Let's see if you were right. So if we share them out one at a time like this, in each of them we get 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. And we also know that 7 times 2 is 14. Have a go. Draw 6 divided by 2. Use your knowledge of what times is by 2 to make 6, and what two numbers add together to make 6. Off you go. Pause if you need to. Okay, and we should have got the answer 3. Easy peasy. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Have another go. 10 divided by 2 this time. Pause if you need to. Use your knowledge of times tables, but also if you need to, you can draw. Okay, and the answer should be 5. Well done if you got that one right. So, how many groups of 2 are in 10? Time for mental division. So we count in groups of 2s, we count in 2s to see how many 2s make 10, and that will give us our answer, because basically this division sign is saying share into 2 groups, or how many 2s make 10. How many groups of 2 make 10? So let's count in 2. So we start with 0, 2, so that's 1, 4, that's 2, 6 is 3, 8 is 4, 5 is 10. So we've got 5 groups of 2 make 10. So 10 divided by 2 can be 5. So this is another way that you can work it out. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. We can use our fingers to help us. So we can count in groups of 2 to 10 and see how many make it. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, you get 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many groups of 2? The answer is 5. So now on your papers, you're going to have a go at doing 16 divided by 2, but you're going to use this method of counting in 2s. So draw a number line, please use a ruler, and put 0 at one end, and then count in 2s. How many groups of 2 are going to make 16? Or you can use your hands and count in 2s until you get to 16. Choose your method, pause the screen, and have a go. Okay, well done. Let's see. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So altogether, that's how many groups of 2? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether, the answer would be 8. Well done if you got it right. Now pause the screen again and choose your method for 12 divided by 2. Off you go. Well done. Let's see if you got it right. We're going to count in twos all the way up to 12. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many groups of 2 is that? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer should be 6. Right, solve the following questions by counting in groups of 2, drawing, or using your number line. You can use your fingers to help you. 18 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2, 24 divided by 2. Pause the screen and have a go. Okay, well done. And the answers you should have got should have been 9, 3, 5, and 12. So by now you should be thinking which method is best. Counting in groups of 2, using a number line to count in groups of 2, or drawing the 2 groups and sharing. Think about which method is best for you. Right, your show me tasks, and let's move me out the way, this afternoon are as follows. So you've got to use these hands over here that have counted in groups of 2 to work out these problems. You've got to use 16 divided by 2 to work out, by using pictures to help you work out 16 divided by 2. And over here, you've got to fill in the gaps. You've got to fill in the gaps of this problem. So how many 2, so what times by 2 makes 8? 8 divided by 2 is what? So see how they link together, and then what patterns do you notice? So for this times 2, 1 to make 8, let's see how many 2s we need to make 8. So when we count in 2s, how many groups of 2 make 8? So 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got 4 of them. So 4 goes in here. What's 8 divided by 2? Use your methods and then write down what patterns you notice and why. And those of you that have been sending in your maths, for some of you I've given this as a next step to try and link and see how times and division link, just like add and take away link. So pause the screen, have a go, and send your answers to year 2 at thepalmeracademy.com. See you later. Bye for now.